Hello.
Do you want to put raisins in them, or
So
what do you think?
we have this and wait, what is this called?
Gluten-free flour.
So this is gluten-free flour, and then these are oats, and that's maple syrup, and this is butter. And this is a bowl for all this mix.
Great.
Make sure we have all the steps.
Okay, can you pour all those in? Oh, you can just pour it. Thank you, Chef. Butter.
Now we need this. So this is cooking mix, gluten-free. This is maple syrup, okay? So we're going to pour this maple syrup in.
You should get it all out. Pour it.
Oops.
Let it pour.
Oops.
Taste it.
This tastes is like so this maple syrup tastes sweet. Should we add a little more of this, Mommy?
Of what?
Of this.
Flour?
Okay. Now we need eggs.
How many?
So we need 2 eggs. Oopsie.
Don't lick it. Now tell me what you're doing.
So I'm gonna stir this up. Tell me if you think this is delicious once we eat this. Mom, can we still keep our cooking show on while we're eating so everyone can see us eating?
You want to tell them what it tastes like?
So this tasted like sweet maple syrup. Usually we eat this at dessert. Is this dessert? Okay, so this is going to be dessert, and we're going to eat this when dessert time is.
No. Do you know what this is, Clara?
Wait, what is it? This?
Stevia.
So this is stevia. Put it.
2 more
And
than this.
we're going to make it in the oven. And then, wait, what? Wait, I don't think the friends know what kind of oven this is.
Yeah, we have a toaster oven.
So we have a toaster oven. So your kids and babies might need a little help of doing these steps.
Right. You might need a grown-up to finish stirring for you, right?
Right. But I can do some of these steps, but sometimes Mommy can help me.
Yeah, just a little bit.
Like Daddy's just playing video games all day.
No, I'm not. I just started playing. I must have been working today.
Okay, here. Do you think we should put raisins, or let's see what kind of mix-ins we have. What do you choose?
I mean,
We have cranberries.
games are not a recipe.
Yeah, games are not a recipe, though.
That would be silly if a game was a recipe.
Okay, so here are our choices for mix-ins. We have raisins.
Let's add this to here.
We have cranberries.
This.
Well, what are your favorites? Are you sure you like those? And we have blueberries too.
Blueberries.
And we might have M&Ms.
Oh yeah,
You want to put everything?
Uh-huh.
I don't really like M&Ms though. Should we just put a couple?
Oh yeah.
Okay.
Put all the juicy pear filling
We have.
So we have M&Ms, and we're going to put them in here.
And then we also have, what are these? Raisins?
Those are raisins.
Yeah, I'm gonna put some raisins in. No?
I don't know. Ooh.
I thought you said no that likes blueberries. And now, sticky like last time. So you scoop up a little bit, roll it into a ball.
It's sticky like sticky Play-Doh. Yes. And
Or you can tell them why we make gluten free.
So why we make gluten free is because Mommy has an allergy. That's why we make gluten free.
Yep. Maybe you can ask them if they are eat gluten free,
Do you
Right?
eat gluten free?
and they'll let us know if they like gluten free.
I eat gluten freely.
Look at my hands. Ooh. Okay, what are we gonna do next?
We're going to cook it in the oven.
Yep.
We'll
See you in a couple minutes.
We'll see you in a couple minutes. These ones are going to be appetizer, and the other ones are still cooking in the oven.
Okay, you can see if it's cool.
It's not cool yet. Wow, these are yummy cookies.